Hey guys, it is pouring down rain outside. And I was gonna fly that thing, but the rain had other plans. So, good indoor activity is flying mini drones. Okay, so I've made this little course for these drones. And we start here inside of this structure. I don't really know what to call it. And then we go over here to this sign. It says drones be going here with terrible spelling.
Sorry about that.
And we go around here in this long straightaway. Maybe I can go fast. And we continue going around here. And then we get to here where I have to thread the needle, hopefully. And then I thread the needle again, also hopefully. Then we fly back over here to where we maybe finish back where we started. And for sake of testing my pilot skill, I'm gonna try and do a flip. Alright, so no further ado, let's get started. You can do this too. It's super easy. Anybody can build a course as simple as mine. And mini quads are super cheap, so you can get one. They're easy to fly. Even the beginner behind the camera can. So, it's super easy. You can do it too. That brings us to the end of this video. Be sure to like and subscribe and comment what you thought and what you want to see me do. May your skies be blue, and remember, you can always go around. Oh, and watch out for the thunder.